Everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today, I want to review loan apps available in Nigeria, these microfinance banks. I want to quickly give an honest review about these loan apps. I will also make comparison between these apps and point out the best apps that you can use among all of these apps. I'm going to give an honest review. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, let's go into this analysis properly. If you look at what is going on in Nigeria now, these microfinance banks are doing so well since from the time of Professor Charles Oludo when he brought a policy of 25 billion naira capitalizations. Some of those banks that were unable to meet up with with such amount went into microfinance banking, and that's how a lot of microfinance are existing today. But a lot of things have been going on. For instance, if you apply for a loan, if you take a loan and you're unable to meet up with the obligations on the deadline, a lot of them start sending negative messages to all your contacts, blackmailing you. But I want to give you a way out, showing you one particular app that stands out among all of these apps. They don't do such thing. Their customer care has been top notch, and a lot of people have been giving positive reviews about this particular loan app that I want to be talking about here. I am also going to show you the face behind Carbon, their founders. I'm going to show you all that. I'm going to show you how you can contact them. I've read a lot of comments online, how a lot of people are saying that they always find it very difficult to contact them. They have a website. I'm going to show you how you can go about it, contacting them whenever you want to reach them directly. That's all we want to be talking about in this video. Stay tuned. Okay, if you look at this picture here, you can see a lot of loan apps here. This is one, this is one, this is one. See one here, see all of it here, and also see Carbon here. I want to give you three good aspects of using a Carbon, this loan app. Like I said earlier from the beginning of this video, I'm going to give an honest review about this app. It's not that I have anything against other apps, but this particular app stands out. This Carbon stands out because I've tested a lot of them, and this particular one, I can guarantee you this is the best loan apps available in Nigeria. One good aspect of them is the fact that their customer care are very, very good. They are not people that when you take loan with them and unable to meet up at the deadline, that will be threatening you, sending threatening messages. A lot of them do that. They start putting fears in your mind, making it difficult for you to pay the loan. But Carbon customer service are top notch. They will come to you with a very good mind. They will ask you what's your problem that you have not been able to remedy. They will send text messages to you. They will contact you and even ask you to contact them back. So if you are somebody who has defaulted, you need to respond to them, send a message to them, tell them what exactly is the problem, the reason why you have not been able to meet your loan obligations on the deadline, and tell them how, give them a duration of time that you can fulfill it. If you say in 3 days, in 4 days, in 5 days, they can wait till those days, then the customer care will now contact you again. They are not going to be threatening you or sending negative messages to your contact. They don't do that. The second good aspect of this loan app, Carbon, is the fact that it gives you the opportunity to also make an investment on the platform. Let's say you want to do fixed deposit account. Unlike other commercial banks, if you put your money there, you're going to see a tangible interest rate, a profit coming into that your money, unlike commercial banks. That's the second good aspect of it. The third good aspect of it is the fact that they have a face. So what I want to do now is to take you to the comments of people, the review that people have been giving about this loan app, so that it will give you the confidence to go into this particular one. If you look at this particular review from John Chukwuebuka, Chukwubike, or what's that, if I pronounce this rightly. Look at this review here. Carbon Finance Bank is simply the best. and I don't have any regret for using the bank. Imagine having a good Android phone and a Carbon app on it. Your banking lifestyle is sweet, fast, reliable, and awesome. No long queues. All your transactions can be done on the app from the comfort of your home. A lot of freebies like free transfer to other banks. Yeah, that's one of the things I forgot to talk about. Whenever you're making transfer to other banks, they don't charge you nothing. That's another good aspect of it, which is true. Free debit card, no card maintenance fee, or any sort of unnecessary deductions. Fast and reliable transfer. It is true. The review that this guy is giving here is very true. This is the second one. Carbon is good for my needs. All the time, I can proud because Carbon team is at least sincere. See, Carbon's at least, or what is it, at least since 5 years now, I get account with Carbon. Best of the best microfinance bank by Adebisi. I love this app so much. It has greatly helped my business. Damsod Akinyele. Then look at the faces behind this business. These are brothers, the founders of this business. This is Chijioke Dozie and Ngozi Dozie. These are the guys that are behind this particular business. So if you have been finding it difficult to contact Carbon whenever you have issues, kindly come to their website, which I'm going to show you here. Come to their website, and when you open their website, just dial ng.getcarbon.co, ng.getcarbon.co, and come to help section of their platform. Click on contact. When you click on contact, just scroll down. When you scroll down, click on contact support. Then as you can see here, put your name, your email address, your complaint or question, whatever thing that you feel you want to contact them. Put it here and send it and submit it. They will get in touch with you via your email. As simple as that. So you don't need to stress yourself anymore. So like I said earlier, Carbon app is the best app. I can tell you that for free. Just give it a try and see. They are not going to send any wrong messages destroying your personality to anybody.